Hello, I'm here to give you an overview of the new Otto 2.0 product inside Search Atlas. Otto is a truly revolutionary piece of technology. When you first log in, you're going to land on a screen that looks like this. To set up Otto is a very straightforward process. You click Add a website, select the website that's within your account, and take this script and add it to the template that you're using for your website. If you're not a developer, you can simply hit Email My Developer, and Search Atlas will send the designated email address instructions on how to enable the script on the website. Once the script has been added in, Otto is going to process your website. After the code has been added, you're going to go ahead and click Enable Otto, and you're going to follow a few basic prompts. Step 1 is you're going to connect your Google Business Profile. Step 2 is you're going to connect your Google Search Console. And step 3 is to actually build a knowledge graph about your business or your website. So you're going to come in here, plug in the business information, review the selection of top pages and the keywords for each one of those pages, connect all of your social links, your Google Business Profile, your Twitter, your Facebook, your Instagram, all the relevant business links that you have. Go ahead and seed this in here. You're going to then create authors for the content. In this example, we're using our CTO, Monik Bond. And you also have the option to upload your logo, upload custom images, or upload videos as well. Once you've set this up, Otto is going to process your website and show you a list of opportunities to optimize your website across core on-page and off-page initiatives. So the first set of fixes you're going to be presented with are going to relate to metadata. So things like title tags, meta descriptions, headings, meta keywords, alt image text attributes. Each component, when clicked on, will show you a list of potential fixes. In this example, we're looking at title tags. We're seeing the current URL. We're seeing what our current title tag is, if it's compliant or not compliant with SEO best practices. And then you're going to see the auto suggested fix. The next step is to review the suggested fix by Otto and determine if you agree with the fix or not. If you don't like the initial suggestion, you can simply hit generate a new one, in which case Otto will regenerate the suggested fix. In this case, it's going to give us a new title tag. Before you deploy the change, you do also have the option to manually edit or refine the suggestion before deploying it on your website. Once you're happy with the change, you hit save. And then you just click the button right here titled Deploy. And what Otto is going to do is it's going to go into the website using the JavaScript pixel you just added, and it's going to rewrite your title tag or rewrite your meta description or add in the alt image text, right? So the idea behind Otto is that it streamlines the deployment or the fulfillment of on-page and off-page SEO. It does not make changes to your website without you reviewing the suggested change, editing it, or agreeing that the change is accurate and reflective of the overall strategy that you're trying to execute. So as you toggle between tasks, you can see there's meta descriptions, there's alt image text attributes, there's internal link issues, there's meta keywords, heading structures, canonical tags, Open Graph, and Twitter cards. All of these will be presented to you with the suggested fix. The user either generates a new fix or edits the fix before deploying it. If a change has been deployed and you're unhappy with the change or you want to make modifications to it, you simply deselect it, in which case you'll get a notification saying the change was rolled back, and you can immediately deploy it again and push that change live once again. Additional sections in Otto relate to content optimization. So you can add NLP keywords to specific pages. And again, you can select which keywords you want to include. You can delete keywords, or you can cherry pick the ones you want specifically included on each page. Internal links, we're going to show you a target page. We're going to show you the recommended pages that should be linking to it. You can select or deploy the pages you want, and you can add additional pages as needed as well. Here, Otto is allowing you to deploy NLP terms and NLP schema to your website. Schema is microdata that helps search engines understand the substance of a page, understand the content, understand the keywords it's trying to rank for. And Otto allows you to systematically deploy new schema markups to any web page on your site. Similarly, you can deploy FAQs. So you can plug in target keywords and put in questions and answers and seed those answers with the relevant NLP and deploy those schemas to the website immediately. Otto will also allow you to create topical maps and brand new pieces of content. So you'll essentially get a list of all of your pages. You can also create new pages or new topical maps manually. You can select the page you want to create it for or manually add it in here. And then all you have to do is give it a target keyword, and Otto will build you a supporting topical map that will help you expand your knowledge base around the parent topic, in this case, link building. The maps are very easy to review and understand. Here's an example of a map that's already been created. The target keyword here is backlink checker. So we have the parent keyword listed here, and then we have all of the supporting subtopics listed as branches on the tree, and then each branch spokes out into additional relevant topics. So all you have to do is select the articles you want to create under the topical map. You can refine them, you can edit them, you can modify them, but once you've selected them and you hit update, Otto will then create the content for you by clicking the Write with AI button. Once the article is created, you can view the article, or if your site is built with WordPress, you can actually one-click publish this article to WordPress. So again, Otto here in this context is giving you the ability to aggregate keyword research, to build strategic content plans, to AI generate content, and then to one-click publish it to your WordPress instance. If you need to stylize your content, you can actually come into the custom HTML module here as well, which will allow you to add in custom HTML like this to format the content a little bit easier, a little bit more cleanly on the website, right? Otto will also allow you to schedule and create Google Business posts. So you can AI generate images, you can AI generate content, you can view publish posts, and then you can also schedule posts to go live on the GMB at a specified date, right? Otto will also enable you to do question and answer responses. So you can create questions, create responses, and then post those directly to the GBP. And you can also manage your reviews. So as new reviews come in, you'll see the reviews, you'll get proposed answers. You can AI generate new answers, manually edit them. Once you've successfully replied to the review, you can go ahead and hit the green button, which will post that response to the appropriate review directly through Otto. From an off-site perspective, Otto will allow you to do cloud stack creation. So you can plug in a target page, plug in a target keyword, create the content using our AI, and then select which cloud sites you want those links to be published on. Once the links are live, you're going to get an indexation status, and you're going to get a link to actually view the article that was created directly for you. So to recap, Otto allows you to streamline the deployment or the fulfillment of on-page and off-page SEO. It also helps you power your GMBs for local search. And Otto does not make changes on your website without you reviewing the proposed change and signing off that the change makes sense. So Otto is not meant to replace your SEO. Otto is meant to replace the minutia or the grunt work that's associated with the implementation of high-level SEO strategies. Otto is a work in progress, so there are going to be several additional features and sub-features coming to the platform soon. Keep a lookout for that and save time and ultimately improve your performance and your ROI by reducing the dependency on manual work and streamlining your SEO using Otto.